Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the key fob. Hold it close as you approach the driver door. Once seated, lock nothing in, place your foot on the brake, and confirm the transmission is in park or neutral so the system allows ignition. Make sure doors and hood are closed because some cars disable start when open. You'll see dash lights cycle when the car senses the fob. That's a readiness check. Now you're ready for the first start action. Press the start button once to engage accessories like radio and displays. Press a second time to charge systems without starting the engine. To actually start, keep your foot on the brake and press start firmly. Many cars only crank while brake is depressed. For manuals, press the clutch as required to bypass the neutral safety. If the engine doesn't turn immediately, release and try again after 5 seconds. Prolonged attempts can flood modern engines or trigger security lockouts. To stop the engine, bring the car to a full stop, shift to park, and press start once without your foot on the brake. The engine will shut down and electronics go to accessory or off. If the car won't start, first place the fob next to the start button or in the designated backup slot. Many systems allow a low battery override. If that fails, verify 12V battery and brake switch function, and listen for immobilizer clicks. Those narrow down electric versus mechanical faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.